A solar installation requires drilling dozens of holes into your roof, so waterproofing those penetrations is of paramount importance. The purpose of metal flashing is to protect your roof against water leaks. Thus, the rubber seal at the flashing's bolt hole is the ultimate barrier between the rafters and the rain. And since any rubber seal will break down and crack over time, the placement of this seal is of utmost importance. Failing to take the inevitable breakdown of the rubber seal into consideration, many solar roof mounts place the rubber seal right at the roof level, exactly where the rainwater will be running down. Water seepage through a damaged rubber seal is likely down the road, which can lead to rot and mold, requiring costly removal and remounting of the solar array and possibly even a new roof. QuickMountPV has engineered a solution to this problem. A proprietary mounting system cleverly places the rubber seal out of harm's way. By fusing a 7/10 of an inch aluminum flute to the top of the bolt hole, the rubber that seals the roof penetration is raised 7/10 of an inch above the flashing. Now the bolt hole that lies in the path of the rainwater is protected not by stressed or cracked rubber, but by seamless fused aluminum. Since mounting represents only a fraction of the cost of your solar system, this is one place you definitely do not want to cut corners. QuickMountPV's patented elevated water seal technology is incorporated into our classic composition mount, E-mount, L-mount, and tile replacement mount, and is also integrated into our versatile rail-free quick rack system. When you use QuickMountPV products featuring our patented elevated water seal technology, you can rest easy knowing that your solar installation will remain 100% waterproof for the full life of your roof and solar array. QuickMountPV is the tried and tested solution with more than 10 million mounts installed over 10 years with zero leaks.